Hi there, welcome back to my channel. We know that at times the healthcare professionals have difficulty in locating the vein to draw blood for conducting various tests and procedures. So in this video we demonstrate as to how to make a vein finder. For this we would require an empty pen case, the one we usually throw away, an ice cream stick, 2 switches, 2 9-volt batteries and their connectors, 2 high-intensity infrared LED strips of 620 nanometers. So before we begin, don't forget to like, subscribe and share my clips. Here we attach the ice cream stick to the end of the pen case. Then we attach 2 switches to the outer cover. The positive wires from the 2 connectors are split to solder either end to the switches. The positive and negative of these connectors are connected to the 2 LED strips respectively at the back of the casing. The LED are attached to the ice cream stick using a double-side tape, which in turn is stuck to the back of the casing using glue and reinforced with small screws. Finally, the vein detector is ready. So guys, let's test it in a clinical situation. Here we place it on the forearm to detect the vein. You can see ramification of the vein into 2 small veins. That's all folks. Thanks for watching.